I got inspiration from my family. My sister, she was an ex-student at CDU. I learned a lot from her, and also my mom, she always teach me how to cook. That's why I got into cooking. I'm very satisfied because the kitchens are big and they have all the equipment that you could ask for. They also have a training restaurant for us to practice as chefs. So we actually get into teams and cook for customers that come in, and we get feedbacks from them.
There is an abundance of equipment for the students to use. Well, I'd put us on par with national level. Every student has their own station, so that's one of the great things that we have here. You've got one-on-one time with the lecturers. You're not a number, you're not a process, you are a person. The first week of classes, when classes first start, the students are filleting fish. They just blossom from that. Their confidence grows, and suddenly they see value in themselves. And it's the thing that we really encourage the students to do is, have that confidence that you can do it. Don't doubt yourself.
Cooking is my passion, and I was already working in cooking industry for a few years. Because I want to build professional skills with high standards, I decided to study at CDU to get a better future and get to my dream career.
The lecturers in CDU, they're helpful and kind to share their cooking experience to the students. The reason why I want to study cookery because I want to open my restaurant in the future, because I have this kind of idea since I was in high school. Everybody loves food, so I want to make my own pretty food one day.
Hospitality is my industry. I've been a chef now for 35 plus years. I've been at CDU now for 16 plus years. I love my industry, and I'm a lecturer, but I'm also a chef still. Any students who will graduate through CDU here will go out when they graduate, and I know personally in my heart that they have the skills to do what they can do, and it's because we have the expectation of what they must be able to achieve.